And now, the weather forecast. The weather over the next 3 minutes will be changeable, starting with very bright sunshine, which will make everything sizzling hot. Sizzle, sizzle. And everybody very sweaty. Ooh. Then in from the east, we'll have cloudy weather blowing in, which will then turn to storm clouds. Bit of charcoal on there. Smudge it up a little bit. And thunder and lightning. It will then start to rain, very light at first, dripping off everything, becoming heavier later, leading to localised flooding. A couple of little sixes on the floor there, looks like puddles. The rain will then turn to snow, a couple of snowflakes up top, leaving fluffy white caterpillars on the trees and fences and just about everywhere else. And there's a good tip. If you draw little blue C's on the edge of your fluffy white caterpillars, it makes them look even fluffier. And on the snowman, put some blue chalk and smudge that over a bit. Real thick, fluffy snow there. High winds will then blow in from one side of your cartoon. And of course, you won't be able to see the wind, just the effect it has. So leaves will be blown off the trees, and everything else will be blown over to one side. So whatever you do, hold tightly onto your hats and very tightly onto your umbrellas. Try it yourself. Put some weather into your cartoons.
Hey, that's a nice tip, that. And remember, you can't actually see the wind. You can only see what it does. Hey! Who left that window open?